1 second, the sun is moving across the bright sky. The next second, it completely freezes. Right now, Earth spins at a staggering rate of 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. What if it just stopped? And stayed completely stopped for 1 million long years? No more day and night cycles as we know them. No more normal weather patterns across the globe. Using modern physics and climate modeling, let us examine what actually happens across this planetary transformation. This is not about the initial instant kinetic crash. This is about the 1 million years that follow. What happens to the global atmosphere, the shifting oceans, and all surviving life on this new world? In the first week, everything not anchored to bedrock continues moving eastward at intense rotational momentum. The atmosphere keeps moving, unleashing 1,000 km/h winds straight across the equatorial belt. Unstoppable oceanic displacement causes colossal tidal waves to surge across continents and existing coastlines. Yet after 7 turbulent days, friction gradually decelerates the raging air currents and sloshing waters. The planet reaches a dead calm, permanently divided into 2 extreme halves. Yet after 7 turbulent days, friction gradually decelerates the raging air currents and sloshing waters. One hemisphere now faces the sun in endless daylight, known as the day side. Temperatures on the day side quickly rise above 100 degrees Celsius, boiling shallow seas. Lush forests wither away as giant hyper-arid deserts rapidly expand across whole continents. The opposite hemisphere faces open cosmic space forever, becoming the eternal night side. Temperatures drop to -100 degrees Celsius as atmospheric gases begin to freeze into solid snow. Between extreme fire and total ice lies a narrow habitable ring known as the Twilight Zone. This narrow middle ring is the only remaining region where temperatures stabilize around 20 degrees Celsius. dense, frigid air becomes heavy and rapidly sinks down across the dark, frozen hemisphere. Meanwhile, scorching hot air continuously ascends into the upper atmosphere on the sunlit day side. This imbalance forms one immense global wind loop, driving air from hot to cold continuously. Water vapor evaporated from the day side travels across space and freezes into glaciers on the dark side. Over a span of 1,000 years, atmospheric pressure begins to drop as air freezes out. By 1 million years, most of Earth's atmosphere rests as solid air ice sheets on the dark hemisphere. The oceans experience a similar fate, evaporating on the hot side and freezing on the dark side. A giant mega glacier builds up over the night side, growing over 3 kilometers thick. Remarkably, Earth's protective magnetic field does not instantly disappear when surface rotation stops. It is generated by molten metal convection in the liquid core, which continues flowing for centuries. So the planet remains protected from lethal solar radiation throughout this long freeze. Plant life could only survive within the narrow Twilight Zone using specialized artificial light arrays. Animal species would face extinction unless they migrated into the narrow, temperate middle ring. Humans could adapt by constructing sealed habitat domes and massive underground geothermal power networks. Over 1 million long years, evolutionary pressures would transform biology, giving rise to unique new species. What if, after 1 million frozen years, Earth slowly begins to spin once again? The frozen atmospheric gases melt rapidly, while giant night-side glaciers begin to fracture and slide. Enormous planetary weather systems return as atmospheric pressure and global temperatures rebalance. It would take another 100,000 years for the planetary climate to fully normalize. Earth is remarkably resilient, but the 1 million years in between would permanently reshape life. One side fire, one side ice, and a thin line of life thriving in the middle. If Earth stopped spinning tomorrow, which zone would you choose to live in? Let us know below.
Subscribe for new science explorations and what-if scenarios every single week.
And remember, we are incredibly lucky that our planet keeps on spinning.